This video was sponsored by Enhance, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? This is Zeekr 7X. It's a spacious family car, SUV, and in this video we're going to check how much space we have. So far it's performing really well. You guys know it charges so fast, over 400 kilowatt. The soundproofing is great, the ride is great, the comfort is great, the features in here are just insanely good. But what about space? You know, the space could be one argument against this car, so we need to test this. Is this car spacious or not? Let's check out the front first. And here we actually have a decent sized frunk, at least for some charging cables, but unfortunately not big enough for a banana box. So it's, well, it's like an eyepiece frunk, I mean. Charging cables might barely fit in here, but bags, well, maybe a small man person who fit here, but other than that, no. And then in the back, I was told by Zeekr that they don't have kick sensor, but the button to open is so far up that you don't need it. So if you have something carrying here, you can just, okay. But yeah, so how is the trunk here? First we take out the parcel shelf, quite easy to remove it. And then here we have a lid, open up more space, but also here, this is like Tesla. You can open up, like Tesla Model Y. Okay, wait, how do you take out this part? What? Is it not supposed to be taken out? Let's see. Struggling a little bit, but eventually it should go off, right? Oh yeah, of course, you have to take it out this way, wait. There, yes. Now we have maximum space. In the trunk you have 12-volt outlet, only in the trunk, not in the front. Light there, light there. We can squat down here if we like to. Subwoofer from both sides. They are somewhat weak though. But yeah, you see here, open up more space here and here, but there's this little, I don't know what to call it, mountain in the middle there that kind of ruins it, at least for the banana box test. But this should be good. And then the seats can actually recline. You see, everything here is just premium and electric. Also the doors. But you just have to learn how to use this car, because most people, they will just go like this, right? And then open the door. No, it doesn't work. Then it stops there. So then you have to try, okay, then it opens. So you have to get used to that. In order to open the door, you can close it like this. You must stand here. Not there, not blocking it. And even if you're a little bit impatient, you go like this, you stay a little bit too close. Okay, now it opens. The demo effect. But okay, anyway, here we have electric adjustable seats. We have some buttons here. We can go upright. Okay, it's the most upright position. We go down right. Wow, nice comfort. But of course, for this test, we're going to maximize the trunk space. So we go upright. And even in the most upright position, it's not church bench, it's actually right on par with most other cars' comfort. Okay, round one in the trunk. Because the Zeekr 7X has this sloping back door here, then we don't get that boxy shape. So it's actually similar to a Volkswagen ID.5 or Skoda Enyaq Coupe, or maybe Model Y, right? So let's see, how much could it fit then? Well, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is actually quite good. Yes, actually slightly better than the average in this price, or in this price and size range. So, but this is actually bigger, longer than the Model Y, and especially ID.4. So does that mean that we get more space here? We don't have that much space in the front, in the front. So let's fold this here and try again then. Okay, as usual, I try to put as many boxes as possible in here. And when I pack the car, almost get the impression that they have watched Teslabjorn's videos and they have designed the car in perfect dimension to fit another banana box. Because it fits really well. I could almost lay down one horizontally, you know, the leg room is really good, but just almost, it didn't fit. And then here, how do we, okay, have to back out, otherwise the door won't open. But here also, because we have the panorama roof, glass roof, we can fill it all the way to the roof. And You see, the roof is wide enough so it fits 2 in the width. Normally I have to turn it the other way and I can only fit 1 in there. So this is just amazing space. I get the feeling it can take a lot of banana boxes. And of course here it closes. The back here has a little slope, so somewhat limited over there. Same here, just showing you that it's more or less just mirrored as the other side. All right, let's turn up the pitch and start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
26, 27, 28. This is incredible. I didn't expect it to be that good. There are even some spots where you could almost squeeze in half a box here, half a box there. But okay, 28 then. It beats everything, the competitors. It beats Model Y, ID4, even the Xpeng G6, and it even matches. No, it beats way more expensive, almost actually roughly twice as expensive Audi Q6, and also Model X 5-seater where you can fold the seats. It actually matches it. It has roughly the same space as the EL8, okay, but that's executive seat that cannot fold, but BYD Tang is bigger, you know? It's just incredible how much space you get in here for only 4.8 meters. Wow, and the front is not even, well, that big, but maybe that's the whole point because they made the hood a bit shorter so you have more space in the back. So there you guys have it, the best car. This might be the Teslabjorn car of the year. It is Schnell, 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds, actually measured. 1,000 kilometer challenge, it broke all the records. It shattered the Tesla record. Insanely good comfort, noise, also measured, really good space, as you see. The features here, like you have the electric curtain, okay, you can't use it now. Yeah, the electric curtain that comes up here, and the big 16-inch screen. There is, you know, buying something else in 2025 would be madness. Just mad. This thing is just crazy good. Yeah. All right. Anyway, Bjørn and Teslabjorn is now done praising the Zeekr 7X because I'm always neutral. That's gonna be for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.